Hello friends, my name is Harpreet Leal. I am going to do the screencasting of the load balancing in the AWS. The name of this lab is using ELB to scale applications. In this lab, we are going to create the load balancing with in between the two instances. So first of all, I will let you know what is load balancing. In this lab, we are going to do the classic load balancer. So let me explain you what is classic load balancer. The classic load balancer routes traffic based on application or network level information and is ideal for simple load balancing of traffic across multiple EC2 instances where high availability, automatic scaling, and robust security are required. And moreover, for applications needing advanced routing capabilities, microservices, or container based architectures, we can use the application load balancers. There are various features of classic load balancer, like it is highly available, more secure, and we can do health checks. The health checks mean that health, when it detects unhealthy Amazon EC2 instances, it no longer routes traffic to those instances and spread the load across the remaining healthy instances. So there are several ways to get started with the classic load balancers. You can set up a classic load balancer with APIs, AWS command line interface, or through the AWS management console. When you use the classic load balancer with auto scaling, you can build highly available fault tolerant application which automatically scale capacity up or down based on fluctuations in demand. So let's create a load balancer. As you can see that I have already one load balancer here. So I will let you know how to create the load balancer. For this, we need at least two instances in which we can create the load balancing. Like I have two instances running, EC2 instances. Go to your EC2 services, go to load balancing and select load balancers. Click on create load balancer. Select the classic load balancer. Now click on continue. In here you can give any name to your load balancer, as I'm going to giving Dynostore CLB. So leave everything default. Click on this. Now select the web RDP group. Uncheck this. Configure settings. Configure health check. And in here click on ping protocol and select the TCP and leave rest of the settings default. Click on add EC2 instances. You can see that I have two instances, web RDP and RDP group. So we can create the load balancing in between these two instances, or you can create more than two instances. It is like that whenever one instance go wrong, the other will start working, and you can do the health checkup as well. Now select the instances and add tags, and in here give any name, like I'm going to give it Dynostore. I'm using Dynostore because Dynostore is the name of my project. Dynostore LB. Give any value like CLB, classic load balancer. Review and create, and click on create. And I'm not going to create it because I already have one load balancer. So just click on create and you can see that your load balancer is created. And in here I am already having one load balancer. So after your load balancer is created, you have to copy this load balancer DNS name, and then you have to paste it in the new browser window. and after that remember to add your website name after this. Like my website name is this one, net702dinostore default.aspx. Just click on this and you can see that your load balancer is created, and you are able to open your website with the help of this DNS name, the DNS name of the load balancer. So to test the load balancer, you can uh, continuously like refreshing the page and your IPs will change here. Thank you guys, that's all for the this lab. Thanks.